Hello everyone. Today we will learn the two different sounds of vowel E. So children, come and let us see some examples. Kids, here in this spelling of B-E-A-D, we can see two vowels together, vowel E and vowel A. And we know that when there is two vowels group, we see magic. Here we see the magic of vowel A. You know kids, vowel A makes the short sound of vowel E long, as in the spelling of bead. Let us first read B-E-D. Here we will see the short sound of vowel E because we don't have any other vowel, or we can say the vowel A with it. So here its sound will be short, A. B-E-D, bed. Okay, bed. But what will be B-E-A-D? Yeah, there is full sound of vowel E, that is E. B-E-A-D, bead. Yes, B-E-D, bed. B-E-A-D, bead. Kids, here P-E-G. Yeah, very good. Short sound of vowel E, that is A. P-E-G, peg. Kids, what will be P-E-A-K? Very good. Here we will see the magic of vowel A. It makes the short sound of vowel E long. So P-E-A-K. It's not peck like pig. No, it's peak. E, long sound of vowel E. Kids, here again we have two spellings. First one is for short sound of E, H-E-N, hen. Hen. Sound A, that is short, hen. But the second picture, is this leaf? No, the sound of vowel E will be long because of the magic of vowel A. That is, with the vowel E we can see E-A. So this will be leaf, long sound. Whoa, yummy. But what is yummy? M-E-A-L, mel. Is it mel? No. M-E-A-L, meal. Long sound of E, that is E. And this is our pet dog. P-E-T, pet. Short sound of vowel E is A. Pet, A. Okay, pet and meal, not mel. Kids, now you tell me. P-E-N, how we will pronounce it? P-E-N. Very good. This is pen. Sound A of vowel E. This is short sound, pen. What will be P-E-A? This is P. Long sound of vowel E, because we have magic of vowel A in this spelling of P. P-E-A-P. Wow, nice habit of cleaning. These kids are cleaning their room. What I said? Cleaning. It's not clean. There is long sound of vowel E, clean, but R-E-D, red. The sound A of vowel E, because we don't have any other vowel or vowel A with it, so its sound will be short. That is A, R-E-D, red. Kids, S-E-T, set. Wow, beautiful dinner set. Beautiful dinner set. S-E-T, very good, set. What will be S-E-A-T? We have vowel A with our vowel E. S-E-A-T. Its short sound will be long here. Seed. This is seed. We can see many seeds. Kids, it's last picture. Now you'll tell me both of their pronunciation. What will be L-E-G? Very good. L-E-G, leg. Short sound of vowel E. What will be C-R-E-A-M? We have vowel A with it. Very good. This is cream. Long sound of vowel E is E. Thank you so much.